After months of waiting, one of the first Note branded phones from Infinix with next-generation 5G connectivity will finally arrive in the Philippines. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. This device has a smart 5G feature that can seamlessly and automatically switch between 5G to 4G network to reduce power consumption and improve battery life. It also has a 5G dual SIM dual standby, which allows you to enjoy dual network anytime and anywhere. And today we will be showing you the unboxing and our first impressions with this device. So welcome back to the Gift Guide channel. This is Julie and here's the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. The phone arrived in the usual Infinix white box with the logo and device name on top. Out of the box, you will be welcomed with the device itself, which is in forest black color but is also available in Snowfall variant. For additional protection, Infinix included a pre-installed screen protector and a clear silicone case. We also have some paper documentation, SIM ejector tool, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 33-watt fast charger. For its design, the phone is made of high-quality polycarbonate materials with a textured matte finish on its back and a glossy finish on its camera module. It is smooth-looking on top, while at the bottom we can see the 3.5mm audio jack, mic hole, USB-C port, and the speaker grill. On the left, we have a dual nano SIM card tray and a microSD card slot with rubber gasket protection. On the right, we have a volume rocker and the fingerprint scanner that doubles as a power button. It's easy and comfortable to hold with its measurement of 164.7 by 76.9 by 8mm and weight of 188 grams. For the specs, this 5G device features a 6.7 Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. Inside, it has the 2.4 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G octa-core processor, which according to Infinix is 700% higher than a standard 4G network, allowing users to power up their day like never before. It also has a Mali-G57 MC2 GPU, 8GB RAM expandable up to 5G, supporting multiple apps running lag-free simultaneously, 128GB storage, and a 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger. For cameras, it has a 108MP f1.75 Samsung S5KH M6 sensor with a 1x1.67-inch sensor size and 1.92 micrometer unit pixel size, which improves overall image quality even in low light. It also has a 2MP macro camera and a 2MP depth shooter, while in front we have a 16MP selfie camera. Now we will see its real-world performance. Here are the camera samples. For daylight, images we shot are sharp and detailed with vibrant color and deep contrast. Using its 108MP shooter, we got the same results with higher resolution. It can zoom from 1x up to 10x, with each zoom losing its quality and increasing in softness. Portrait shots have decent bokeh effect, which can be adjustable from f1.0 up to f16. For macro shots, colors are a bit washed out and softness is evident. For low light, it struggled to produce accurate color and sharpness, but using its super night, photos are brighter and vibrant in color but still a bit blurry. For selfie shots in daylight, it maintained to produce detailed and vibrant photos with deep contrast. Portrait selfies are also bright, but there are some issues with its edge detection. The beauty mode has a high level of smoothness and skin lightening. Lastly, for low light selfie, there is a visible softness, and super night selfie is a bit brighter but decent. For videos, it can shoot from 720p, 1080p, and 2K at 30 FPS video. Overall, the camera sensors are decent, but we would have liked it better if it's equipped with an ultra-wide lens rather than a macro cam. We also noticed inconsistencies with its photo and video exposure. Also, despite its large camera sensor, it would have been better to have a 4K video capability. The Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G can provide you a capable 5G option if you want ultra-fast seamless connectivity, speedy and stable downloads with a reliable 108MP camera. The SRP is yet to be announced, but Infinix will officially launch this phone this coming September 25, and it will also have an exclusive Lazada sale from September 27 to 29 where it will retail at a special promo price. So mark your calendars and don't miss out. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe as well. This is Julie of GIZGUIDE.com and see you on our next video. Bye!